Importance of bees in our ecosystem. To germinate plants, transfer of pollen is required from the male part to the female part of the plant. Bees move from one flower to another flower in search of nectar. They leave behind grains of pollen on the sticky surface, allowing plants to produce food. Bees are pollinators and support the growth of trees, flowers and other plants. As per experts at Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, of the United Nations, a third of the world's food production depends on bees. Without bees, our gardens would be bare and our plates empty. Your garden is a home for hundreds of tiny creatures, like birds and squirrels to thousands of tiny insects. If bees disappeared, the animals that depend on these plants for survival would vanish as well. Bees produce honey to feed their colonies during the winter months. Apart from humans, many birds and insects also raid beehives for a taste of nutritious honey. Hum of bees is the voice of the garden. Don't you think bees are friends of the earth? Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.